viewers, welcome to SRK Studio. I hope you're doing well. In this video, we are going to create a dynamic sofa in AutoCAD. After watching this video completely, you will be able to create your own dynamic furniture in AutoCAD. So let's get started. As you can see, this sofa I have already created. You can easily adjust this. So now let's get started. First of all, we need to draw a rectangle here. 24 inches, 24 inches. Now offset 6 inches. Now trim command, join command, select the object, stretch command, move this to 24 inches, stretch to 24 inches. Now rectangle 1, rectangle 2, and now chamfer the edges, polyline, distance 1 inches, enter, again enter, and select the polyline. Now again polyline, distance 1 inches, double enter, select polyline. Now again polyline, distance 1 inches, double enter, and select polyline. Now type wipeout and select polyline and press no. Now again wipeout, polyline, select polyline and press no. Now again polyline, okay. Now select these 3 polylines, right click, draw order, send to back. Now type B for making this block, pick point, select objects, name this dynamic sofa tutorial. Make sure this should be checked. Open in block editor. Now click on the parameters, click on the linear, distance 1, again distance 2, and distance 3. Now select all the 3 distances and press Ctrl+1 for the properties. Make this 1 and deselect all the 3 distances. Now select distance 1 and go to the value set. This time increment should be 24 inches, the distance increment, and minimum should be 24 inches and maximum 240 inches. Okay, close this. Now we need to click on the alignment, center point, align, then again center point, align. Now click on the flip, type M to P, first point, M to P, first point, second point, and mid point. Now again flip, type M to P, first, second, and mid point. So now go to action, stretch distance 1, stretch distance 1 parameter point, select the corner, select object to stretch and enter. Now again, go to array, select parameter, select object to array, enter distance 24 inches. Now again go to stretch, parameter to distance to, parameter point and distance, select the corner, and now object to stretch, enter. Now again go to stretch, select the distance 3 parameter, point and select the corner, select the parameter 3 object and enter. Now select the flip and select all the objects. Now again flip, select the flip parameter, select all the objects, enter, and now close this. Now you can easily stretch this. You can easily flip. Thank you for watching this video.